Also unique to LifePod is a built-in key lock that can be used to disable the front keyway and prevent the lock from being picked open. The key lock is located inside LifePod near the front control panel. The key lock dial can be turned to either on or off as desired. By default, the key lock is set to off, allowing the manual keys to unlock the unit. To enable the key lock, use a coin or flathead screwdriver and rotate the dial to the on position. This disables the keyway completely, so the lock cannot be picked open. This will also prevent the backup keys from being able to open the unit, as a word of caution. Using this feature does not prevent the main security lock from being used, but adds an extra level of security as needed.